Now that I have y'all's attention, I gotta tell y'all something. Today's gonna be a very bittersweet video. Why? Because we're gonna go to Duluth for the last time in a long while. Why? Because every time I go to Duluth, I spend way too much money. I spend racks on racks on racks. And I can't be doing that anymore because I gotta be responsible and save up money for my Porsche. So that's the main reason I'm not going to Duluth anymore for a few months till I buy my Porsche. You're looking at my haircut? So handsome. Like, I'm already handsome, but now I'm just way more handsomer. Look, guys, this is how y'all do a roundabout. Nobody over here, then just floor it. Nice. Very nice. Oh, I have to shift. There we go. Can I get a Porsche 911 Turbo S, 992 or 991? I don't know which one I want yet. They're both very nice, 991 and 992. But I guess it'll just come down to test driving them, because I don't know. So like if I go 5th, oh shit, whoa, almost swerved. If I go 5th right now, y'all hear that? Look, I'm driving slow right now, look. Oh gosh, oh, do y'all see this? Why is it like that? It's like every time I try to drive slow, it doesn't like it. And I'm a slow driver, I'm a responsible driver, like I said. And it just, I don't know, it's... Downshift. Did I upshift? No, downshift. Oh gosh, I hit a pothole because I was too focused on downshifting. Unreal. When I try to drive slow, y'all see, this is just not okay. It's like I can't drive slow in this car because it doesn't like it. Because it's built to go fast, and when I try to drive it slow like a normal car, it doesn't do well. I don't know, is it because I have a short shifter? It's like the normal shifter but short. I found an M3 and it's one of those that does little farts, so I'm gonna let y'all hear. You'll hear it? It's doing the farts. We're at the Target, but look. Alright, looking. Don't look at fuck. Oh gosh, I am out of gear. So I want to show y'all something. Look how pretty that is. No Hot Wheels, but I did find this 1968 Volkswagen Golf MLK. It's pretty nice looking, but I don't like it. If I liked it, I would have bought it, but I don't like it. But if I were to like any of this, it'd be that one. I don't like it. And no Hot Wheels. Unreal. Did I show y'all the boo-boo I got? Right here, and here, and here, and right there. I think what it is that I think it was a big truck that parked behind me like this, like right yonder, like behind me. Maybe he scooched up too much and he hit me right yonder, and that's just unreal, but it's okay. I ordered what's it called, OEM paint match corrector, color match, exact OEM color code, but I ordered it like 2 months ago and it's still not here. Unreal. Turn left, right, like so, gentle, and then you're gonna fucking switch a second, and right here you're gonna turn right. You're gonna be careful. You're gonna brake, and then ka-chow, we're here. I'm not gonna tell y'all where it is, but I did show y'all how to get here. Right here. We're gonna go to Super H Mart also, but first we gotta get Korean Fried Chicken. Sort of first, okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Perfect parking, okay. Guys, oh, y'all can't see me, okay. We're gonna walk all the way over there. From here. Barbershop. Asian barbershop. I didn't know how they do get their hair cuts. They're just very thin, so, oh my gosh, I never thought about it. Yeah, look at it, how good it looks. Gotta go over there. I'm gonna show y'all around in there, and then we're gonna get I'm gonna buy water from there. I know some of these words. Look at all these soy sauces. I thought these were drinks, but it's all soy sauces. Look, that looks like a tea bottle. But what are we? More soy sauce? Look at all these soy sauces. Goodness gracious. Soy sauce heaven. This one's tea, not soy sauce, but I don't know what flavor it is. I think it's okay if I keep looking around. Okay, got the chicken. Got nothing from over there. Unreal, the noise. The drink selection was too overwhelming, so just got the chicken. Gonna leave it in here for now. And then we're gonna go over there to get boba. I know my boba order, but I don't know, just too many exotic stuff over there. And then after the boba and the chicken, we're gonna go over there. I'll see that park all the way over there. And we're gonna have a little picnic right yonder. But first, get the boba. Look at how pretty it looks, but I'm not gonna drink it right now. This will be for after I'm done eating. You know, I forgot how small it was. I should have bought a drink from over there. So this is my picnic spot. It's right yonder. As y'all can see right here, it's like over there, it's lower than over here. Up here we're in the high ground, so I get a nice view at the soccer field. But right now, since it's Friday, there's no games going on, but I'm usually here on Sundays and there's people playing actual games. Right now, there's just these people practicing, and they are butt cheeks. They're so bad. I am so good at soccer without even practicing. What are you gonna do? Unreal! Look at that. Is this weird? No, this is a public park, and I'm not filming them. I'm just criticizing how bad they are. I'm giving them constructive criticism. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Okay, what are you gonna do? Oh my god. Anywho, let's get to the exciting stuff. Here it is. You gotta mix it. I'm not gonna mix it right now because I'm not gonna drink it right now. Now, this is what matters in here. Look at how convenient this is. Cup holder right yonder, over there, and right here. It's like, I think only HR has this, so I don't know. Broke boys don't have cup holders right here. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Oh my goodness gracious, look at this. Oh gosh. Oh, wait a minute. This is... They usually give me a lot more. But it's okay, look at how good it looks. And over here we got my rice. And chopsticks. But I don't know how to use chopsticks, so I come prepared and look at what I have over here at all times. I have... Oh yeah, I got my fork and my knife and my spoon and my fork. So I don't know how to use chopsticks. Okay, that's good enough. And you set it down on a flat surface. You get your straw, you poke it. And you gotta be very careful. This one will be fine, but sometimes they fill it all the way to the top and it'll squirt out a little bit. Sometimes so you gotta be careful here. You gotta be fast and precise and accurate and sharp like this. And then there you is. That is how you properly set up your boba. We're gonna try to take pictures here because it's nice and whoa. It's nice and empty. This looks like a nice area for pictures and videos, but I don't know. It's scary coming here without a, because like I have no vision right here, over there, a little bit of vision right here, but 80% of me is exposed. And if I had a, I'd be fine, but all I got is a little pocket knife, which I think it'll do, but I'd have more peace of mind with the. Gosh, look at how good that looks. Oh gosh. I was parked right there, all the way up there, but then I had to do a circle around because that Audi pulled up on me from over there very aggressively, very fast. And geez Louise, I hopped in, bust out my pocket knife, and did a safety lap. Now they're over there, and now I am just here admiring. Now that I have your attention, I think it's fine if I don't overstay my welcome and if I get on out of here, because I would love to stay and take more pictures, but I got a few. I also got a few videos, and I think it's fine if we call it a day, because it's just not safe. I'm just a small 5'8", handsome Latino. I can easily be overpowered, and But if I had a pew pew, I'd be like, and then I'd be safe. I could stay here another hour if I wanted to, but I don't. So I think it's the right call to go home now. And if you stayed all the way to the end of the video, here's your prize. Okay, bye bye.